Words on screen with National Park Service Arrowhead logo. Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, Gunnison Route Orientation, the Gunnison Route. Circles and lines drawing the path over a steep canyon slope.
The Gunnison Route is not a trail, but rather an unmaintained, unmarked, strenuous, scrambling path into the Black Canyon.
Tall trees with gray, jagged canyon walls.
It is a popular route for those who wish to explore the Black Canyon wilderness for the first time.
Hiker near Rushing River.
The route descends 1,800 feet in 1.5 miles. This 3-mile round trip takes 4 to 5 hours on average, not including time spent at the river. Hikers must obtain a wilderness use permit before their trip, must comply with the conditions of the permit, and must carry it with them on their hike. The route begins from the South Rim Visitor Center.
Flagpole in front of log building.
Stairs off the back porch lead to the Oak Flat Trail.
Wooden sign reads Oak Flat Loop Trail.
When the trail splits, the right-hand path begins the descent into the canyon.
Hiker descending on rocky trail through brush.
After a few switchbacks, the Black Canyon of the Gunnison Wilderness sign marks the start of the route.
Sign reads Black Canyon of the Gunnison Wilderness.
There are no other signs or markers after this point. Hikers must rely on themselves to find their way down and up the route. The route begins as a steep path through trees. An 80-foot chain is located 1/3 of the way down. Gloves can be useful if desired.
Hiker uses chain in steep terrain with large rocks.
After the chain, the trees start to disappear, and now is the time to prepare yourself for later. Find memorable landmarks like unique trees or rocks. Continually look behind you for rocky slopes or rock gullies that intersect with the main path. These spots will be misleading later when you hike back up.
On-screen labels for off-route and on-route.
There are 3 particularly challenging splits on the Gunnison route, and you should pause to look at each one on the way down in order to increase your chances of staying on the main route on the hike out. As the river comes into view, the lower section of the route traverses steep, loose dirt and rock. It's a good idea to spread out from other hikers in these areas to avoid knocking rocks toward each other. Certain sections may require using both hands and feet. At the bottom, a primitive path follows the river for 3/4 of a mile as the 2,000-foot Black Canyon walls tower above. Hikers are welcome to explore, but should follow principles of leave no trace.
Picking up trash.
Fishing is also available with a Colorado fishing license. Gold medal water regulations apply.
Hiker fly fishing.
Take care near the swift, cold water of the Gunnison River. Swimming is not recommended. A pit toilet is located behind the camping area. Hikers who are camping may choose to camp on any worn surface. Ponderosa pine trees provide shady spots to relax and enjoy the wilderness. Be sure to hydrate and replenish electrolytes throughout the hike. We suggest bringing at least 4 liters of water per person per day. Sports drinks, salty snacks, and a water filter are also helpful. On the way up, use the landmarks you identified on the descent to help you stay on the route. Take care at each of the 3 splits.
Hikers referencing cell phone pictures to stay en route.
Permits are in high demand for the Gunnison route. It is good to have a backup plan for how you could spend your time in case the route is full. Consider hiking another route, exploring trails along the canyon rim, driving the East Portal Road down to the river, driving to the North Rim, or visiting neighboring public lands that have Black Canyon rim-to-river trails.
Ranger assisting with opening maps and brochures.
Being prepared, making good choices, and being willing to turn back if necessary are the first steps to a safe and self-reliant trip into the Black Canyon wilderness.
Steep, deep, narrow, dark canyon.